So, and here we are with a running Pendant. Hopefully it will work now. I see here, you see here the machine is set it. I will now start the Pendant, not the Pendant, the actually EMC machine. Here it's resetted, waiting for the axis to appear. Here standard screen, and if I now press here, the machine is not selectable. So we go to manual mode. Here you see F1 is pressed. If I unhide this and press the machine, here it's also indicated. It works also the other way. I unpress this and press this, the red button here, machine, it's recognized, works that way. Machine is on, and the most important here, most important thing is always E-stop mode. E-stop mode. This works. Out of E-stop mode, you need to manual get the machine working. So it's recognized here. You see the numbers are equal. If I chuck here, let's chuck here 40, it's also there. Now we go for the white buttons. The white buttons are enabled by F, here indicated, F1. Now I can chuck here around. If I press this, it's difficult to show. I'm in the right mode. Yes, we chuck X positive at 50. Here's the mode. Here it's 50. Let's go a little up. 150. If I press the blue one, the blue button, it goes up to maximum. Keep it pressed and see here it's moving. Also epsilon direction. Okay, this is working. So I here the chuck wheel is now not enabled. I cannot enable it as long as we are here in this mode. This can be programmed if you like it. I disable this. Now no move at all. Here, no move at all. So I now will enable. Here's the selection. 1 millimeter, 0.1. I will now enable this and move. Let's say remove set a little deeper. -1, -2. My point. We are moving point. Yeah, let's move 100. See, it moves. Yeah. If I go a little more, it's you can turn all the way around. See, it will stop. It's only maybe 3 or 4 are recognized. The other is thrown away for safety reason, of course. Unhide this, and we are done.